In today's video, we're delving into the realm of unconventional jelly bean flavors. From bizarre combinations to daring experiments, these jelly beans will leave you questioning the boundaries of taste. So let's dive in and discover these peculiar treats. Before we explore the world of strange flavors, let's take a moment to appreciate the history of jelly beans. These delectable treats have been enchanting our taste buds for centuries. The origins of sweets can be traced back to ancient times when early humans mixed fruit and nuts with sweet honey, creating the earliest versions of confectionery delights. Over time, sweets evolved and became more accessible to the masses. One of the earliest known sweets, Turkish Delight, shares a close resemblance to jelly beans. It was created over 500 years ago in Greece and remains a popular treat to this day. However, it was William Schrafft, a sweet maker from Boston, who had the ingenious idea to mold jelly into small round shapes, giving birth to the beloved jelly bean. Jelly beans gained popularity in the 1930s, particularly during Easter, when their egg-like shape made them a perfect fit for the holiday. Their fame reached new heights in the 1960s when Governor Ronald Reagan publicly expressed his love for these candies, even using them to overcome his nicotine addiction. The jelly beans' allure and versatility continue to captivate candy enthusiasts worldwide. Get ready to discover the most revolting and outrageous jelly bean flavors ever concocted. From bizarre to downright stomach-churning, these flavors will make you question the limits of taste. Brace yourselves for a wild ride through the world of the worst jelly bean flavors. Draft beer. Kicking off our list is the peculiar flavor of draft beer. These alcohol-free jelly beans from Jelly Belly not only imitate the taste of beer, but also come packaged in miniature beer bottles and cans. So if you've ever wanted to experience the essence of beer in candy form, this flavor might be for you. Champagne. For those with a more sophisticated palate, Jelly Belly also offers champagne-flavored jelly beans. These sparkling treats aim to capture the bubbly essence of champagne, providing a unique and unexpected twist on the jelly bean experience. Tabasco. If you prefer a little sweetness with your heat, Jelly Belly's Tabasco-flavored jelly beans might pique your interest. These beans come covered in dark chocolate, offering a fiery and slightly sweet combination that's sure to leave a lasting impression. 4, 5, and 6. Barf, boogers, and baby wipes. No list of weird jelly bean flavors would be complete without mentioning Jelly Belly's Bean Boozled line. This cunning collection mixes weird and wild flavors with normal ones that look almost identical. Will you get a mouthful of barf, boogers, or baby wipes? Or will you luck out with peach, juicy pear, or coconut? The risk is yours to take. 7, 8, and 9. Earthworm, earwax, and vomit. Jelly Belly continues to push the boundaries with their Harry Potter tie-in, Bertie Bott's Every Flavor Beans. This collection combines delicious and dreadful flavors, but this time, they spare you the trickery of disguising the nasty flavors to look like the good ones. Brace yourself for the unique taste experience of earthworm, earwax, and vomit-flavored jelly beans. Pancakes and maple syrup. Who says you can't have candy for breakfast? Jelly Belly presents pancakes and maple syrup-flavored jelly beans that allow you to indulge in the beloved morning treat at any time of the day. Habanero pepper. If you're looking for a jelly bean that will set your taste buds on fire, look no further than the habanero pepper-flavored beans. These jelly beans start out innocently like any other, but prepare for a surprising burst of heat that will leave you wide-eyed and maybe even reaching for a glass of water. Eggnog. Jelly Belly's holiday favorites pack includes eggnog-flavored jelly beans, providing a taste of the classic festive beverage. Whether you're a fan of the rich, creamy concoction or not, these jelly beans aim to capture the essence of holiday cheer in each bite. Margarita. Jelly Belly's Cocktail Classics series features a range of boozy flavors, including margarita, mojito, peach bellini, pina colada, pomegranate Cosmo, and strawberry daiquiri. Indulge in the taste of your favorite cocktails without the actual alcohol. Chili mango. Inspired by Latin American street food, Jelly Belly created a chili mango jelly bean flavor. Made with real cayenne pepper, paprika, and mango juice, these beans provide a sweet and spicy combination that's sure to awaken your taste buds. Lychee. Jelly Belly's international sites, such as Australia and China, offer lychee-flavored jelly beans. These exotic beans capture the unique taste of the tropical fruit and provide a refreshing twist to the jelly bean lineup. These are just a few examples of the worst jelly bean flavors ever created. Whether you're adventurous enough to try them or prefer to stick to the classics, the world of jelly beans offers a wide range of flavors that cater to all tastes. Now that we've explored the strangest jelly bean flavors, let's take a moment to appreciate the classics. The top 5 most popular jelly bean flavors. Buttered popcorn. Salty and buttery, this flavor has regained its crown as the #1 jelly bean flavor in America. Its unique taste incites both love and hate, but it has undoubtedly won the hearts of many jelly bean enthusiasts. Black licorice. A polarizing flavor, black licorice has held its ground, securing the second spot. Its immense popularity among licorice lovers ensures its enduring presence on store shelves. Cinnamon. A spicy trendsetter, cinnamon jelly beans made steady progress towards the top, and although currently in third place, continue to tantalize taste buds with their fiery flavor. Cherry. Once the reigning champion for over 20 years, cherry jelly beans hold strong in the fourth spot. Their fruity sweetness keeps them a favorite among many candy connoisseurs. Watermelon. Rising in popularity, watermelon jelly beans have claimed the fifth spot this year. With their sweet and refreshing taste, they bring a touch of summer to the candy aisle. We hope you've enjoyed this captivating journey through the worst jelly bean flavors ever created. From peculiar combinations to daring experiments, these unconventional candies push the boundaries of taste. Let us know in the comments which jelly bean flavor is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to Foodify History for more delicious food stories. Stay adventurous and keep exploring the wonderful world of flavors.